Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update your contact information on your Geico insurance policy in 2025. All right, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do will be to log into your Geico online account. So go ahead to Geico's website and log into your account using your username and password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on policy details. And now you can select the policy that you want to update. So find that and click on that. And once you have that clicked on, you're going to click on contact information, and then update your contact information, and you can change your address, phone number, and even your email address. And once you go through all that changes, change what you need to have changed, update that, and once you're done, just go ahead and save the changes to your contact information. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your contact information on your Geico insurance policy in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.